Dragon Steam Some in 1, Fun Fun Sushi in 2. Who will face off against Worksite, all 3 Matchbox, to then take on the King, Asada. Ryu Asada, who's moved on from Mattel and now runs RoboRace series, which will be using the Robo cars. Here we go. Let's see if we can get a winner out of this and move on. Oh, looky there. Dragon Steam Some takes the first lane 1. Sorry, I got one hand here. Set them up. There we go. Let's see if Fun Fun Sushi can get a win. Oh no. Back to back. Dragon Steam Some will go up against Worksite. Worksite in 1. Dragon in 2. Here we go. Oh, I think it's clear who's going to face the Asada truck. I believe it's a taco truck. Switch lanes. Worksite in 2. Dragon Steam Some in 1. Oh yeah, easy victories. Easy victories. Alright, let's set them up. Hot Wheels versus Matchbox. Hot Wheels, Ryu Asada's taco truck versus Dragon Steam Some. Let's race. Oh my, Matchbox pulling out the win. One more and he will be our food truck champion. Let's put the taco way to the little taco vendor. Food Truck Wars 2020. Come on, focus. There we go. Ready, set, let's race. Oh, the closer one, but Matchbox and Dragon Steam Some will be delivering your lunch. Peace.